and welcome everyone to our presentation for Digital Product Development course. And we have an app with us for you. It's called One School application. And my name is Vipul V. Suresh, and there's Pong, there's Yon, there's Yushan, and Kunj for my teammates. We are the group called The Liberators and Online Group 5. So to have a basic recap on the reason why we are starting this application, we had an idea uh, wherein an idea stemmed from the inexperience of cultural exchanges between students across different countries and interaction with them in person. So this eventually led to the need for educational institutions to leverage the power of the internet to introduce students to the worldwide academic community starting from a very younger age. Along with that, this would let them interact with students from different cultures and remove the social barriers that comes with the borders, especially in this era where the virtual learning setting is very popular. So we did a customer research survey and we segregated our customers into three different segments. First being the administrators, second the teachers, and the students. So the survey that we did validated the students' need to make cross-cultural communication while learning from others across the world, while many teachers said that they have very few opportunities to communicate with foreign teachers and across very few suitable channels. And meanwhile, administrators, we interviewed uh, some of them who were a part of exchange programs and development camps, wanted to have insights into the standard operating procedures across the top most ranking institutions across the world so that they can accommodate them at their particular institution. So we have the primary market for the MVP majorly being from the Mumbai and the Beijing area. Our research showed that there are nearly 162 schools across Mumbai which offer high school and secondary education, and 304 high schools in Beijing. Next. So the proposed solution is a secure cloud-based application along with a desktop application, which can be accessed by users across all the segments all across the world. This application includes capabilities such as file sharing, video conferences, chat functions, active monitoring, and others which will be communicated by the team members. Again, circling back on the reason why we started this application would remove the barriers to these temples of knowledge that have been set up based on borders, race, religion, and so many other factors, and eventually break them and bring all these institutions into just one school.
Hello everyone, this is Kunj. So I would like to walk you through the situation which explains how one school can solve the problem. So this is the story about John, who works at a Beijing National School as a teacher. He is the teacher of computer programming and has a deep interest in the research work in the field of computer science. Currently, he has one idea and wants to start a research work on that, but for that he needs someone as a teammate, and he couldn't find anyone in his school. So he starts thinking about the other way to find a research partner. He remembers the email he received from his school's administration regarding the one school. So he decides to try out one school, and he opens up the one school website and creates his profile to sign up as a teacher. He enters his professional details into the profile section. Then he starts searching for the researcher with a similar profile by providing some search criteria. He finds Alex, the teacher in the Mumbai public school, with a similar profile. So he opens up his profile and go through some of his research works. After going through his profile and research work, he thinks that Alex could be his research partner. So to discuss more about the research, he clicks on the connect and chat button. As soon as Alex accepts the invitation, they start conversation about the research project, and then they decided to partner with each other for the research project. Now let's go through the product roadmap. So we will be launching our product in the Q1. We will include only basic features to build the MVP. We will conduct marketing campaigns to market our product. and try to get feedback from our initial customers. So based on our customer feedback, we will work on improvements in our product in the quarter 2. Along with it, we will work on search engine optimization to reach more customers. And we will also work on providing multiple platform integration to sync the One School mobile app with the PC. In the next quarter, we will introduce referral programs and provide some additional features to improve user experience. And in the last quarter, which is quarter 4, we will work on some advanced features like chatbot and advanced security features.
Hi everyone, I'm Fan. Our product features come into two parts, common and individual. Every user will have chat and profile function. Users can fill in the information in profile page to let others know more about her. Also, they will be able to chat with their contacts. If they need help, the translator for conversation translates and chatbot for answers to common questions come into place. For students, they can search projects or courses and chat detail about it. If they are interested, they can join the course or project. Plus, students have the dashboard at the landing page to show her activities and performance. For teacher, they can search courseware or teachers and check the detail about it. They can add others into their contacts. Also, teacher have the file collections to store the courseware or publish files. Plus, collections have the file synchronize feature. It will update the files which are changed. Administrator can inform list of contacts. She can send notification or post activities to them. Next. Our minimal viable product will provide basic communication and not include translator and chatbot feature. Teachers will not have file synchronize feature and have to do it manually. Other features are not affected. Next.
Hi, this is Ren Li, and I will introduce the product metrics. Product metrics are data points that help us track and analyze to gauge the success of our product. Here we list the metrics we use into the One School. The top 3 we want to focus the most are the user retention, pay rate, number of the new users per month. Next, please. For the function of One School application, we need to support from many areas. Application development. For instance, after we officially release One School application, software engineers need to maintain the application. And for the marketing part, marketing team also need to do some marketing campaign to attract more users at the first stage. For the legal needs, we also need to comply with privacy protection law to store student information. Finally, communicate directly with the users, get their feedback, and help improve the drawback of the existing function of the application. Next, please.
Hi, this is Yu Shenqi. And for the project cost, we plan to have a team of 19 engineers for the whole work, including development, testing, and design, and 12 person for development and 7 person for testing and design. The total operational cost consists of engineering cost and the IT infrastructure support, which is about $11,000. Next. During this development process, we expect to encounter the following problems. The first one is data privacy. We plan to provide a secure data storage. About the app crashes, we think regular planned maintenance and backup system can help. The third one is institution collaboration. We may provide a discount for the institution partner. The last one is the internet issues. We may implement the high-speed Wi-Fi package along with the infrastructure. Thank you.